If you are looking for a great tool that monitors your SEO performance, then you're definitely on the right track because Ahrefs has got it for you. Hello everyone, this is Natalie from Serpwizz, and as you know, we are back again with another of our review slash tutorial of the Ahrefs tools set, which you can find when you go to their website, which is ahrefs.com. And today we are going to focus on site audit. I've already clicked the link, and we are here on the page with the complete information of what we can expect site audit can do for us. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what what this tool has to offer. Right here, it says you get an exhaustive website analysis. So definitely this tool is to monitor your SEO performance across the World Wide Web, and it has a lot of features included, and we'll go over them one by one quickly, just so you have an idea of what this tool is all about. And here you have a glimpse of what the site audit tool looks like. This is a dashboard actually that that comes with Ahrefs. And then when you these are the core tools of that they offer, and then clicking here you would be directed to this page where you can see all the results that um are you can see all the results that you are aiming to view. And this is what we call the crawl log. If um pay our website crawling is when your content is being indexed so that it can rank on the SERP. And then here you get an overview. All of these are clickable. So if you want to view this one, you can click on that, and then it will expand and show you a further information about that specific result. And you can see your web page health score here, as well as the URL scrolled and your URLs having errors. So if you want to go ahead and have a look on the errors that are affecting your website, then click on this so it can expand. And then here, HTTP status codes of internal URLs, as well as the other um, portions of this tool. So here you have issues and recommendations. You can actually sort this by importance. So um, if you want to see all the errors first, which are obviously more pressing concerns, then go ahead and do that. You can click on those and you would see what it's all about and what the error is saying and how to fix it. So that's an awesome feature that this site audit tool has, because it already gives you an idea on how to fix that specific issue. And then here you have easy access to more details. So there's that also. Here you have check your website for 100 plus predefined SEO issues. So you see, when using other tools that are related to this type of SEO task, you are very limited in terms of um, the issues that you can deal with. So with site audit from Ahrefs, you have access to 100 plus predefined SEO issues, so that you can um specify or further check what those issues are all about and how you can improve that or change it so that you can better your website. So here you have issues related to performance, HTML tags, social tags, content quality, and so on and so forth. And then here we have samples of what it's gonna look like if you want to deal with these issues right there. So and it's also nice, the overall interface of these tools, they're actually very pretty easy to um navigate, and visually pleasing as well, because usually other tools have very intimidating look, if I can call it that. And these ones, they're not intimidating at all, and you would want to like um further check what these mean, because it's gonna directly affect the SEO performance of your website. So there's that. And then explore your data any way you want. Here you have filters. As you can see, it has like a sample going on right there. So it has filters or um what you want, or kind of like rules on what you want to see or what you want the results to be. So there's that. You can see if you want to check this on your own, then definitely hop on over to ahrefs.com so you can see the sample for yourself. And then amazing is that you can tell, or you can direct site audit on what you want to see, or what type of results that you're looking for. So even on just on the website itself, you're given so much information about these tools already. Since if you want to access them, you have to have an account with Ahrefs. But um if you don't have an account yet and you're just trying to figure out or discover these tools, then definitely all these visualizations and media are going to be helpful for you. And hopefully this review slash tutorial as well will be helpful. And then here you get very detailed results. And with Data Explorer, you're simply a click away from seeing every detail of each specific URL. And we want that. We want it to be as seamless as possible because um, with results, you want to get there fast. You wanna have it right away and not have to go through so many things like manually filtering and stuff like that. So with Site Audit, you get all of that, and then you can also track your progress with ease. No need to exert so much effort into tracking your SEO performance because you've got it all right here. And then there you go. You have more examples right there. Execute JavaScript by crawling. So those are all personal preferences depending on what you want to do and what results you're looking for or you're aiming to get. Crawl a mobile website. So what's also great about Site Audit is that it's not using your computer's resources. And you would know that when you watch this video, actually, it's not gonna use your computer's resources, but it's uploaded up in the cloud. So you can just go back, have it crawled first, and then go back to it and see the results that you're wanting to get. So that is it for Site Audit. This is actually, if you want to sample or if you want to try this out first, you can actually do so by um registering for Ahrefs webmaster tools. Yes, this one you can get an account here for free, and then along with Site Audit you also get limited access to Site Explorer. So the combination of these two tools are extremely useful for you. So you can go ahead and sign up for a free account first and then upgrade it once you want to further use the other tools and once you enjoy using Site Explorer and Site Audit. So hopefully you find this tutorial slash review helpful. If you want to view more of our videos, then I'm going to include a link to our playlist on the description box. And we hope to see you again on the next ones. We're gonna do rank tracker next. And yes, thank you for watching.